Welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about continuous improvement and lean thinking, you've probably heard the term Gemba Walk. But what exactly is it? And can it work outside of manufacturing, like in healthcare, IT, or even office work? Stick around, because in the next 2 minutes, we'll break down what a Gemba Walk really is and why it's more than just walking around. What is a Gemba Walk? In Lean, Gemba is a Japanese word that means the real place, the place where value is created. In manufacturing, that's the shop floor. In healthcare, it's the patient care area. In IT, it could be the dev room or service desk. A Gemba Walk is when leaders or managers go to the actual location to observe the process, ask questions, and engage with the people doing the work, not to audit or police, but to learn. This is about seeing with your own eyes, understanding root causes, and identifying waste, inefficiencies, or improvement opportunities directly at the source. Core principles of a Gemba Walk. Here are 3 core principles that make Gemba Walks powerful. Go see. Don't rely on reports. See the process yourself. Ask why. Use open-ended questions to understand problems deeply. Show respect. Engage with frontline workers as partners, not subordinates. It's not about fixing things on the spot. It's about building understanding to make better decisions later with your team. Can Gemba Walks be applied to any process? Yes. Gemba Walks are not just for factories. In healthcare, leaders can observe patient intake or medication distribution to identify delays or risks. When IT, they can watch how service tickets are handled to improve resolution times. In offices, they can study approval workflows or document handoffs to eliminate bottlenecks. Anywhere a process exists, physical or digital, Gemba Walks can provide clarity and spark improvement. So whether you're on a factory floor or managing a remote team, the Gemba Walk is a mindset and a method for staying grounded in the real work. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Lean and Six Sigma insights. And let us know in the comments, where would you apply a Gemba Walk? Thanks for watching, and remember, real improvement starts at the real place.